Wow. Okay, well, in a weather alert, not everyone in the Mountain West got the same stellar 4th of July weather that we saw last night. Oh, man, this is how the 4th looked in Loveland, Colorado yesterday. Heavy rain and even hail, as you see there, delayed celebrations across much of northern Colorado. But ultimately, the show did go on just later that night.
Time now for your forewarned weather with Chief Meteorologist Alana Brophy.
Much more mild here, but you can see the flag outside is whipping in the wind a bit.
Yeah, those winds are going, Alana.
It's breezy, but I just have to clarify, the show was the hail.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like Mother Nature was like,
Spoken
okay.
like a true meteorologist,
Yes,
right?
indeed.
I could hear that coming down. My goodness, that was great video. Okay, we're going to start with our flag because here at the ABC4 studios, it is breezy, but it's beautiful out there. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures spent most of the day in the 80s. We have hit 90 degrees. That breeze is something that we're seeing throughout northern Utah. Air quality is moderate along the Wasatch Front. The exception, Cache Valley and Tooele County, they're actually green, and green means clean. We've got ozone levels because of our unfiltered sunshine, which actually promotes that chemical reaction that creates ozone levels. Also seeing that on the eastern side of the state. Down south in Iron and Washington County, moderate air quality, but not due to particulate matter. Now, Weber County was the only county this evening where we saw particulate matter a little higher than normal. 80s, that's nice to say, especially when we were dealing with fireworks for the last couple of days. 80s and 90 degrees in Salt Lake, 100 in Green River, 101 in St. George. We've got 80s and 90s on the eastern side of the state. It is a pleasant day. We actually backed off of that triple-digit heat with the help of the front that came through, but that front causing some issues. I'll show you what I mean. 80s along the Wasatch Front into tonight by ABC4 News at 10. Upper 70s. Now, we do have a slight chance of an isolated shower or storm, and it's because of this front. Now, we are seeing some activity in northeastern Utah. Live view from Flaming Gorge, the Lucerne Marina, where storms are overhead. Not a surprise. We've been seeing this on the radar. We know that that front that's out there is tapping into any moisture potential. Let's get a little closer. Some lightning near the basin, in and around Manila, and then south of Duchesne. Echoes of moisture out there, some stronger cells. So eyes to the skies over in the Uinta Basin. Now, the rest of the Wasatch Front is quiet right now, but that's going to change. So the front that came through initially was tracking south, but it is going to start moving north. It's now a warm front. Notice West Desert could see a little activity as we get through the evening. We're going to watch as this warm front lifts towards Salt Lake County, which means the Wasatch Front tomorrow morning will have more cloud cover and the chance of an isolated shower. That warm front will be on the move as we make it through our Thursday. Down south, mostly clear conditions. It will be a quiet, mild overnight. We watch as the front drapes itself around the Beehive State. Northwestern Utah does bring in the chance of some wet weather. So near Park Valley for the afternoon and evening tomorrow, and we can't rule that out for Cache Valley. Cloud cover will be out there, but this is the culprit of why we will be unsettled and keep that thunderstorm threat. Notice central, eastern, and southern Utah will see clear skies with sunshine and temperatures on the up and up. By Friday afternoon, we still have cloud cover and the slight chance of a storm. The thunderstorm threat for tomorrow, while it's general, does include northern Utah and the eastern side of the state, Salt Lake County all the way up to Cache Valley and the West Desert. Upper level futurecast. We zoom out so you have an idea of what's happening in the upper atmosphere. That area of low pressure keeping us unsettled with our westerly flow for the remainder of this week. Now, high pressures to our southeast, but as we get through the weekend, high pressure really starts to build and it takes over the western United States. That means clear skies, temperatures on the up and up, and we're going to get closer to triple-digit days in northern and southern Utah. Doesn't get even much of a break. Overnight lows tonight, 50s for the Wasatch back. We'll see those temperatures in the 80s in our mountain valleys. We get low 90s in places like Ogden, upper 80s in Tooele. And in central Utah, plenty of sunshine, 90s and 80s. A little more cloud cover in the north because of the warm front that I just showed you. Down south, 80s and 90s. We're giving you a scoop of everything. If you like triple digits, 102 near Powell and St. George. Here's a check on the next 7 in Washington County. Well, we're just going to cook a little bit. It's going to be hot. To be expected, 107 as we head into next week. Here's a look at the Wasatch Front. That high pressure comes back, flexes its muscles, and is like, hey, do you like the heat? Well, summer, we do. We'll take a little more, 100 by next Tuesday with sunshine, 90s, pretty close to where we should be this time of year, today, tomorrow, and then we start to Glenn doesn't even want to look at me when I say 100 on a 7 day. So Dana,
I just want to give you a pat on the back because you said, I'm going to go 100. I don't know. I know I'm being pushing it a little, and we totally hit 100.
Well,
I thought I saw something even worse than 100. That's what I was looking at over there.
No, don't panic. And yeah, I tried to forewarn people.
We got it.
You know, we didn't go 99. Mother Nature and I were
pushed it up. I
frequently
know.
on the
Good
same
thing
page.
Glenn's not in St. George.
He melted.
He only mountain bikes up here this
Really
season,
upset.
Dana.
You just find a pool and it's all good to go.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.